welcome to my Embroidery 101 series. In this video we'll be covering the stem stitch. So to start, just bring your needle up through from the back of the fabric and pull your thread through slowly. Now place your needle back down through the fabric a stitch length away, but don't pull the thread all the way through, leaving yourself a loop. Now bring your needle back up through the fabric in the middle of the stitch and pull. And that's created your first stitch. Now place your needle back down through the fabric a stitch length away, just leaving a loop again. Sorry, it's a little bit out of frame here. And as you can see, a little knot's formed there, so just pull that knot out. And again, keep hold of my loop. So this time, bring your needle back up through the fabric just a little bit closer to the left. And again, just pull it through. And continue this to create a stem stitch. As you can tell by the name, this stitch is useful for flower stems, but also for any outlining and writing as well. And to begin with, you can keep hold of the loop as you go along. It can make things a little bit easier, but once you sort of get used to it, you can just leave it there. You don't have to always pull it down. Now once you get to the end, just place your needle back down through the fabric, creating your loop. As you can see, I found this final one is a little bit fiddly. And then bring your needle back up through the fabric, creating your final stitch. And then sorry if it goes a little bit out of frame here, but to finish off, just place your needle back down through the fabric underneath your final stitch, and you shouldn't be able to see it. And there you go. I hope you found this video helpful. You can check out my other tutorials in the playlist below.